While spring is usually the peak of home buying season, here are 2 reasons you don't want to wait till spring to sell. I'm going to tell you those 2 reasons coming up. Hint, it means making you more money. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker at Charles Rutenberg in Clearwater here on the Florida Suncoast. If this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market on or near our beautiful West Coast beaches. So even if you're not thinking about selling right now, knowing your home value can be a simple process that always helps you get your best deal. Selling, refinancing, or maybe getting a nice line of credit that could be tax deductible, we can help. You can log on to whatismyhomereallyworth.com right now and get a quick check of your home's current value. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy. Now, if you do want or need to sell, let's take a look at a strategy that will make you the most money so you can get your best deal. While the number of homes for sale is still low, we're seeing more homeowners starting to put up that for sale sign. It's all about inventory, your competition. If you sell now, you can get ahead of your competition so your house gets even more attention from the tons of new buyers out there before your neighbors get in on the action. In case you haven't heard, they're jumping back in now that mortgage rates have started to come down. They're eager. They've been waiting a long time, some of them, to sell, and they're ready to make their move. You've been seeing open house signs as well, I'm sure. You've got an opportunity right now if you do need to sell. Will you take it? It's your call, no pressure. I'm here to help no matter what. You can log on to whatismyhomereallyworth.com right now. Get a quick check of your home's current value. Again, it's fast, it's free, and it's easy. I also have 5 great videos explaining 5 different methods to getting the estimated value of your home, including what appraisers use. It's something called a linear plot graph analysis. It's a mouthful. I'm always here to help and, of course, answer any questions anytime, no obligation. Everybody knows the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. We've added 3 rules of our own: honesty, integrity, and passion. We love the Florida Suncoast, have sold Hudson to Sarasota and everything in between. If you're thinking about selling, please subscribe to the channel. Stay updated with 3 great new videos every week. And remember, of course, you can see that home value at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. And call us anytime at Mr. Beach.